Mastering business interruption insurance. Companies are secretly cashing in on business interruption insurance, but only a select few know how. What specific instances or cases can you cite where companies have successfully filed and received compensation through their business interruption insurance policies, and what were the circumstances surrounding these claims? In recent years, numerous companies have successfully filed and received compensation through their business interruption insurance (BII) policies. Here are several notable instances and cases where companies have successfully claimed and received compensation. Case 1: Flood damage. In 2012, storms caused severe flooding in the northeastern United States, affecting many businesses in the region. One of the affected companies was a manufacturing firm, New England Polymers, which suffered significant damage to its facility and equipment. The company's business was interrupted for several months, resulting in significant revenue losses. The company had a comprehensive B policy, which covered losses due to flood damage. After filing a claim, the insurer compensated New England Polymers for over $1 million in lost revenue and additional expenses incurred during the interruption period. Case 2: Supply chain disruption. In 2015, a major fire destroyed a key supplier's warehouse, disrupting the global supply chain for a critical component used in the automotive industry. One of the affected companies was Detroit-based Autotech Incorporated, which suffered significant losses due to the supply chain disruption. Autotech Incorporated had a B policy that covered supply chain disruptions and successfully claimed compensation for over $5 million in lost revenue and expenses incurred during the interruption period. Case 3: Cyberattack. In 2017, a cyberattack on a major retail chain, Total Mart, resulted in the theft of sensitive customer data and a temporary shutdown of its online platform. The company's B policy covered cyber-related losses, and Total Mart successfully claimed compensation for over $1 million in lost revenue and additional expenses incurred during the interruption period. Case 4: Government-mandated closure. During the COVID-19 pandemic, governments worldwide imposed lockdowns and closures on non-essential businesses. One such business, a restaurant chain, was forced to close its operations for several months. The company, La Bella Vita, had a B policy that covered government-mandated closures. After filing a claim, the insurer compensated La Bella Vita for over $2 million in lost revenue and additional expenses incurred during the closure period. Case 5: Utility disruption. In 2019, a severe storm caused a widespread power outage in the southeastern United States, affecting numerous businesses in the region. One of the affected companies was a pharmaceutical manufacturer, MedTech Incorporated, which suffered significant losses due to the power outage. MedTech Incorporated had a B policy that covered utility disruptions and successfully claimed compensation for over $0.000 in lost revenue and additional expenses incurred during the interruption period. Case 6: Natural disaster. In 2018, Hurricane Florence caused widespread destruction and flooding along the southeastern coast of the United States. One of the affected companies was a hotel chain, Coastal Inns, which suffered significant damage to its properties. The company's B policy covered natural disasters, and Coastal Inns successfully claimed compensation for over $5 million in lost revenue and additional expenses incurred during the interruption period. These instances demonstrate that companies can successfully claim and receive compensation through their business interruption insurance policies in various circumstances, including natural disasters, supply chain disruptions, cyberattacks, government-mandated closures, and utility disruptions.